Sorry for the delay. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Did you complete yesterday's worksheet? I'm sending every day. If you, I'm sending every day. If you don't practice, you will not remember all these techniques. You have to practice. That's it. You don't have any other option. So base method, multiplication. We have completed division by 9. Today we can learn division by 8 or 7 or 6 remaining numbers. Okay. So we are at base method divisions. Divisions means repeated subtraction of divisor from dividend. So this I gave nearly 40 problems, right? In worksheet. I posted a worksheet with 40 problems. So I don't know whether you are completing or practicing or not. So today's division method by division by 8 and remaining things. Okay. So when you are dividing by 7, 8, 6 like this. So do you have any doubt regarding division by 9? Tell me first. Good morning, all of you. Okay, do you have any doubts regarding division by 9? You must have clear idea regarding division by 9 because you have to know these steps separating digits from dividend based on the zeros in the base. If you find 2 zeros, you have to separate two digits from the dividend. So let me know if you have any doubts in the division by 9. Okay, so it is very clear. All these are division, remember these are division, these divisions are below base. So division by 9 means 9 is lesser than 10, 8 is lesser than 10, 7 is lesser than 10, or 6 is lesser than 10. So these are base method division. That too, this is below base. Remember that. You can remember as case A below base. I forgot that. These are below base. You can do divisions by 11, 12, 13 as a above base. Okay. I will explain each and everything, but you have to practice or else you will not remember. That is impossible. Okay. Okay, good. So you must remember this repeated subtraction of divisor. You must remember that, because if you remember this, if you find any remainder more than divisor, you have to divide again, or also you have to subtract, because division means repeated divisor from dividend. See, remember, for example, 13 is there. If you have to divide it by 2, you have to subtract each and every time. 13 minus 2, 11. Again 11 minus 2, 9. Again 9 minus 2, 7. Again 7 minus 2, 5. Again 3. Again 2. Remainder is 1. See, division means repeated subtraction of divisor. ఈ డివైజర్ని రిపీటెడ్గా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాం డివిడెండ్ నుండి. రిపీటెడ్ subtraction of divisor from dividend. So how many times we have subtracted here? Remember, check this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So remainder is 1. We have subtracted 6 times. 2 6 are 12, remainder is 1. You must remember this. Okay, division means repeated subtraction of divisor from dividend. You should not forget this. I'm good. Where Babu? I don't know. Which where Babu? I think. Okay. Good. Now division by 8. Remember, division by 8, 7, 6. You have to remember one thing when you are dividing. See, when we were at dividing by 9, we separated only one digit, because base is 1. Base has 1 0. That means base is 10. So it has 1 0. 1 0 means you have to separate one digit. Okay. And remember, difference between base and actual divisor. Actual divisor is 9. So difference between base and divisor is 1. That is the reason we multiplied by 1. When we are doing, we multiplied reminders. After addition, we multiplied by 1. So here, if you take base 10, the difference is 2. Difference is 3. If it is 7, division by 7. If it is division by 6, difference is 4. So you have to multiply these 2, 3, 4 according to the problem. I will explain one by one. Just let me give clear idea. Children, do you have problem? Someone is okay. Actually, I am also sorry. నేను కూడా లేట్గా వచ్చాను. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో యూ క్యాన్ చెక్. వీ ఒక 10 minutes ఎక్స్ట్రా చెప్పుకుందాం, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో 6, 7, 8తో డివిజన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్. సపరేట్ డిజిట్ ఫ్రమ్ డివిడెండ్ from right hand side based on zeros in the base. For example, 246 divided by 8. Now what we have to do? Of course, you have to take base as 10, isn't it? So 1 0, base has 1 0, so you have to separate one digit from the dividend. That's it. Okay. And what is the difference between 8 and 10? 2. So you have to multiply by 2. Remember, bring down 2 as it is. One minute. ప్రైస్ పెట్టేసావా ట్రాన్స్ అవుతుంది మధ్యలో ఎలాగా ఆర్డర్ పెట్టమను సరే వేసుకో నువ్వు కట్టేసుకొని వెళ్ళిపో నేను ఎడిట్ చేసుకుంటా లేదంటే వెళ్ళి తెస్తానంటే తీసుకురా టైం ఉందా ఓపెన్ చేస్తారు ఒకసారి చూడు ఓకే సారీ ఫర్ ద డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఓకే సో bring down 2 as it is. So there is nothing to multiply here. 2 to the 4 here. Remember. ఏంటి ఏం చేయాలి 1 minute. లేదు ఓపెన్లో లేదా నువ్వు ప్యాక్ చేసుకో నువ్వు ప్యాక్ చేసుకో నేను చూసుకుంటాను నువ్వు ప్యాక్ చేసుకో Is my voice audible now? Okay, fine. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so you have to bring down directly. You need not multiply at the first. So beginning of the problem, you have to bring down first. 2 is multiplier. Why? Because see, check difference between base and divisor. So the difference has to be multiplier here. Okay, the difference. So difference is 2. Remember, and one more thing, difference is, so divisor is 2 less than base, so you have to multiply by 2. If divisor is more than base, you have to multiply by negative number here. If divisor is 11, minus 1 has to be multiplier here. If divisor is 12, minus 2, divisor is 13, minus 3 has to be multiplier here. So I will tell each and every method one by one. That is above base. Now we are at below base. Remember, division by 9, 8, 7, 6, all these are division by below base. Below base. So we are dividing by 8. So first you have to 246 divided by 8. In 246 we have to separate last one digit, because base has 10. Base has 10 means we have to separate one digit. Okay, bring down 2 as it is, so multiply 2 to the 4. So 4 plus 4, you have to add 8 here. Now 2 8s are 16. 16 here. 2 8s are 16. Add these two. What will you get? 16 plus 6, 22. So remainder is 22. That means remainder is greater than divisor. Again you have to subtract 8. How many times you can subtract? 22 minus 8, 14. Again you can subtract 8. 14 minus 8, 6. So that means you can subtract 2 times. So that means you can add 2 here. And remainder is 6. Are you getting? So we got remainder 22. Still we can subtract 2 8s from 22. So that 2, you have to add this 2 number. So 28 plus 2. Plus 2 means this becomes 30. Remainder is 6. This is the method dividing by 8. Remember, I will repeat it again. Just concentrate. We are dividing 246 by 8. So 8 means we have to take base as 10. So this is below base, right? Base as 10. So base is 2 more than 8. So that is the reason 2 as a multiplier we have to take. We have to take 2 as a multiplier. So now base has 10. You have to separate one digit from the dividend. 246 ని ఒక్క డిజిట్ ని ఇలా సపరేట్ చేసి లైన్ గీయాలి. సో ఈ ఫార్మేట్ వేసుకోవాలి డివిజన్. సో 246 హ్యాస్ టు బి సపరేటెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ 246. యూ హ్యావ్ టు సపరేట్ 6 బికాస్ బేస్ హ్యాస్ 10. ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉంటే అన్ని డిజిట్స్ రైట్ సైడ్ నుండి సపరేట్ చేయాలి. సో 1 డిజిట్ ఉంది, 1 డిజిట్ సపరేట్ చేసాం. సో సపరేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ ఏ డిజిట్ అయినా, ఇక్కడ ఏ డిజిట్ ఉన్నా ఏ డివిజన్లో అయినా డైరెక్ట్గా మనం యూ హ్యావ్ టు బ్రింగ్ ఇట్ డౌన్. సో 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 4 8, again 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 6 22. See, we got remainder. This is remainder place, this is quotient place. This is quotient, this is remainder place. So remainder is greater than divisor. That means you can still subtract few divisors from that remainder. So you can subtract 2 8s. That means 2 8s are 16. Still we can add that 2 to the quotient. So 28 plus 2. Why we are adding 2 here? Still we can subtract 2 8s, 2 divisors from the remainder. I told you division means repeated subtraction of divisor from dividend. So still dividend is higher, remaining dividend. Remainder means remaining dividend. So still we can subtract 8s from that remaining dividend, which we call it as remainder. So 2 times we can subtract, so you have to add the 2 to quotient. So quotient is 30, remainder is 6. Is it clear, everyone? You have to listen. Is my voice okay? I think yes, yes. So try to divide this again. For example, 746 divided by, okay, 1 minute, again 46 738 divided by 8. Do this in the same method, you will have some clarity. You will get some clarity. Do that, or else you can check this. You can check this division using any method. We have learned many methods. Do this, children. So again we have to take base 10. So 10 means separate one digit. So difference between base and 8 is 2. So 2 less than base. So you have to take 2, positive number 2. If it is more than base, above base means you have to take negative numbers. These are below base. So 8 needs to, base is 2 more than divisor. So you have to multiply by 2. If it is base is less than, you have to take minus number here. So as it is, you have to bring down 7 directly. 2 sevens are 14. So add these two, you will get 17. Okay, 7 here, 1 carryover. So this 7 becomes 8. Okay, 2 sevens are 14. Add these two. So you will get 22. Here also 22. So our answer, what is the answer? You can check using any method based on in your convenience. Yes. Hmm. Okay, good. 92 and remainder is 6. Correct. See, how did you get 92 here? Remember? Okay, let me check. ఓకే 92 అండ్ రిమైండర్ ఇస్ 2 రిమైండర్ 6 వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ రిమైండర్ 22 వస్తే రిమైండర్ 6 ఇక్కడ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కూడా అలానే వస్తుంది. ఓకే సో 7 you have to bring as it is. 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 3 17, 7 here, 1 carry over, so this 7 becomes 8. Okay, so 2 sevens are 14 again. Yes, Roksai correct, Rajit correct, Darshit correct, and Gokada correct. Yes, Trinath Pedredla, you're right. And this one, Rohit, check again. Quotient is correct, remainder is 6. Good. Yes, Rajit. Is where Babu means Rajit or Satvik? I forgot. Okay, Sai Babu. Good. Yes, Rohit. You're right now. Okay. One minute. Sorry for the disturbance today. So fine. 1 minute, students. You can complete this one. You can do this one also. Meanwhile, complete this is 1, this is 2. Complete third one also. 695 divided by 8. Do this also, third one. I will explain if you cannot do. Sorry for the delay. Okay. So now, so to did you complete this third one? 86 quotient and 70 is remainder. Okay, let me check. So I'm at 738 divided by 8. Listen carefully, those who cannot understand this. Okay. So base is 10 here as usually, because 8 is nearest to 10. So you can take base 10. So the difference between base and divisor is 2. You have to take 2 as multiplier. So while starting, you have to bring down first digit of the dividend directly. 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 3 plus 14, you have to add like this. 3 plus 14, 17. 7 here, 1 carry over. Here 1, you have to think there is a 1 carry over. That means you have to add these two. 7 plus 1 carry over 1, it has to be added to this number 7. So 87. So again you have to multiply, sorry, 14s kaadu. Sorry, 1 minute. So when we multiplied 2 sevens are 14, we got 17, right? 7 here, 1 carry over. Next you have to multiply 2 17s are, or 17 2s are. 2 17s are, 2 sevens are 14, 1 here, 2 ones are 2, 30. 34 is the answer. So you have to write 34 here, because we got 17 here, 2 17s. First 7, we bring down 7 here, 2 sevens are 14. Next 13 plus 14 is 17. So 7 here, 1 here, we have to write in this way. But when we are coming to multiplication, 2 17s are, you have to multiply. 2 17s are 17 into 2. So that is 34. Now you have to add 34 into 8. Now tell me 34 plus 8. What is the sum of 8 and 34? 42. So now how many 8s are there in this 42? Tell me how many 8s are there in this 42? 7. Oh my God, what happening? So today is, sorry for today, everything is not supporting today. I don't know what happening. What's going on? Come on. Okay. How many 8s are there in 42? We have how many 8s? How many 8s you can subtract from this 42? For example, 5 8s are 40. Okay. So 5 8s are there in this 42. So you have to add that 5 to here. Here we have 87. See, remember 7, this carryover is 8 and 7. So now we have remainder 42 here. How many 8s are there in 42? 5 8s. So that 5 has to be added here. 2 is remaining remainder. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes. So 87 plus 5, how much? 92. 92 is the actual quotient and 2 is actual remainder. Okay. Did you understand? Now division 695 divided by 8. Third one, 695 divided by 8. So base is 10. So 10, base has 10. So you have to subtract one number from dividend. So difference between base and divisor is 2. So multiply is 2. So remember, 8 is 2 less than base. So into 2. If divisor is more, you have to multiply by negative number here. Bring down 6 directly. 2 6 are 12. So 19 plus 12, 21. 1 here, 2 carry over. Okay. Now you have to multiply two 21s, not just 2 ones. 2 21s. We got 21 here. I will write that too. We got 21 here. 1 is here, 2 is a carryover. So 2 21s, 42. So carryover and number is 6 plus carryover becomes 8. This is 1. And 5 plus 42, how much? 47. Clear? Now, how many 8s are there in 48? 6 8s. No, 5 8s only. Because remainder is 7. So again here also 5 8s. So you have to add that 5 to here, and actual remainder is 7. Actual remainder is 47, but still there are many divisors in this remainder. So you have to subtract that divisors and add here. So 86 is the quotient and remainder is 7. Remainder is 2. Why 2, Darshit? Remainder is 7. You can check your answer using digital route. Okay. This is the method using base below base and division by 8. Now you can learn division by 7. Is that clear, everyone? Division by 8 is clear. So remember, you have to be very careful. Listen again. Just first digit has to be bring down as it is and multiply by multiplier. 2 6 are 12. 19 plus 12, 21. So 1 is here, 2 carryover. You have to add carryover and number to get actual quotient. So 81 is the quotient, and when you are multiplying here, you should not multiply here this quotient number. The result of addition you have to multiply by 2. So 21 is here, 2 21s are 42. So add again 42 and 5, you will get 47. So divisor, you can still divide this 47 by 8. So 8 5s are 40. That 5 has to be added to quotient to get actual quotient. Quotient is 86, remainder is 7. You can check your answer using digital route. Nishant, what happened to you? Are you okay? Now, division by 7. Multiplier is 3 here. So base has 10, separate one digit from dividend. One digit, separate one digit from dividend. Sorry. Do it if you can do. It is very easy. Many people can do it actually. Separate one digit. This is better, I think. Upgradation. Okay. So multiplier is 3 here because difference between divisor and base 3. So if base is more, you have to take positive number. If base is less, you have to take negative number. Remember that. So as usually, bring down 6 directly. So there is nothing to multiply here. So 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 7. How much? 25. Remember, 5 here, 2 carry over. When you are multiplying next, 3 25 is 75. You have to multiply like this. Total is 79. So say, how many, still we have many 7s here. Still you can divide 79. So how many 79s? How many 7s are there in 79? 11. So that 11 has to add here. 85 plus 11. So if you subtract 11 sevens from here, remainder is 2. So 7 11s are 77. 77, 79 minus 77. Remainder is 2. Did you understand? So what is the actual quotient? 96 is the quotient. Remainder is 2. Good. Good. That's it. ఎంతమంది చేశారు? గుడ్. పెదిరెడ్ల త్రినాథ్, వెల్ డన్. పెరుగు సరిపెట్టావా? నిజంగా సరిపోయిందా? సరే, రైస్ అందరికీ కలిపి పెట్టావు కదా. ఎప్పుడు 1.5 పెడుతుందా మమ్మీ? 2 పెట్టేయాల్సిందే. ఓకే, that's it. Good. Now division by 7. So do this. 1036 divided by 7. Do this, everyone. Do this. 1036 divided by 7. ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే రిపీట్ ఇట్ సార్ అని మెసేజ్ చేయండి. టైప్ చేస్తే నేను పెడతాను. ఐ కుడ్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ అని చెప్పినా నేను మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేస్తాను. డోంట్ వరీ, మనం నేర్చుకునేది తక్కువైనా క్లారిటీతో నేర్చుకుందాం. ఓకే, సో యు ఆర్ స్పెండింగ్ యువర్ వాల్యుబుల్ టైమ్ హియర్. యు ఆర్ పేయింగ్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. మిగతా స్టూడెంట్స్ కన్నా మీరు చాలా చాలా గ్రేట్. నిజంగా ఈ సమ్మర్ హాలిడేస్లో మీరు ఒక స్కిల్ ఆర్ ఒక న్యూ థింగ్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలని ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపిస్తున్నారంటే మీ ఫ్యూచర్ చాలా బాగుంటుందమ్మా. రియల్లీ ఐఎమ్ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఓకే, సో 1036 division 1036 divided by 7. So base has 1 0, so separate 1 digit from the డివిడెండ్. ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉంటే అన్ని డిజిట్స్ సపరేట్ చేయాలి. సో base is 3 more than divisor. So multiplier is 3. Multiplier is 3. Now you have to bring down 1 as it is. 3 ones are 3. Clear? And what is the sum? 3. 3 3s are 9. What is the sum? 9 plus 3, 12. 2 here, 1 carry over. Okay? ఇక్కడ 12 వచ్చింది. మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు 12తోనే మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 3 12s are 36. బట్ ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేసినప్పుడు వన్స్ ప్లేస్ డిజిట్ ఇక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ క్యారీ ఓవర్స్ కింద చేయాలి. సో 142 ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది. బట్ స్టిల్ వీఆర్ డివైడింగ్ బై 7, బట్ వీ గాట్ 42 here. Is it clear? Okay. So 42లో ఎన్ని 7s ఉంటాయి? 7 8s are 42. So remainder will be 0. 8 has to be add here. Sorry, 7 6 are 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. So 7 6 are there in this 42. So 6 has to be added here. Answer is 148. I mean quotient is, remainder is 0. That's it. So like this you have to do division by 7. Okay, did you understand everyone? Voice clear ga leda? Is my voice clear or not? Datti Shankar Rao. My voice is so clear, man. Check your device. Okay. Like that you have to do. And division by 6. Let me complete division by 6 today also. Division by 6. Take any number. 439 divided by 6. So base is still 10. Tomorrow we can learn above base. Okay. Base is 6. So difference is 4. So multiplier is 4. Remember, when you are taking so base has 1 0, so separate 1 digit from the dividend. Do it. Cheseyochu easy. If you can do it, do it. So multiplier is 4 here. So bring down 4 as it is. 4 4 is 16. 13 plus 16, 19. So we got 19 here. 16 ikkada vesukam. Total is 19. So 19 means 9 here, 1 carry over. Next we have to multiply 4 and 19. 4 19s. 40 and 4 9s are 36. So 4 9s are 36. 6 here, 3 here, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 76. You have to write 76 here. So what is the sum? $85. 76 plus 9, 85. Okay. Jay Bharati, concentrate, you will get very easy one. So I am explaining here division by 6. Okay. First bring down first digit as it is and multiplier by this one. multiply by this multiplier. Why 4? Because difference between base and divisor is 4. So that is the reason you have to take base is 4 more than divisor. So if base is more, you have to take positive number. If base is less, you have to take negative number. Okay, still if you cannot understand, just watch this video in the YouTube again. Okay, after completion of this class, you can watch how many times you want, you can watch it. Okay, so you can bring down, you have to bring down 4 directly. 4 4 is 16. You have to write 16 here, add 3 plus 16 19. So 9 here, 1 carry over. 19 you have to write like this, 9 here, 1 carry over. So 4 19s are 76. You have to write 76 here. Again you add 9 plus 76, 85. Remember, 85 has to be, still check using this. How many 6 are there in 85? 6. 85 లో ఎన్ని 6s ఉన్నాయో కూడా చెక్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ మొత్తం ఎంత అయింది కోషంట్? 59 is the quotient till now. So still so many 6 are there in this 85. So how many 6? Still you can do division, or else how many 6 are there? 14 6s are there. How to check that? Still you have to do division again. If you want to do these methods, if you find bigger numbers, that would be very easy. This ఇలా చిన్న నెంబర్స్ ఇస్తే ఇలానే ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో? ఎన్ని 6s ఉన్నాయి 85లో? ఎస్, 14 6s ఉన్నాయి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ దట్ 14 హియర్. సార్ రిమైండర్ ఎంత? వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిమైండర్? ఎస్, చాలామంది చేస్తారు అప్పుడే. రిమైండర్ ఈజ్ 1. 73 is the actual quotient. Remainder is 1. Is that okay, everyone? So this is the way of doing division by 8, division by 7, division by 6. Okay, if you have any doubts, we can I can clarify tomorrow, and if you practice it, you will get it definitely, because very easy methods. Okay, fine. So that's it for today. We will meet you tomorrow. Bye for now. Have a great day. Bye bye. Gotta go.